I am so excited because today I finally got my Cara Beauty makeup. 2 weeks ago, Tyler ordered me the High Times collection from Cara Beauty. What? And I've been so excited and like anxiously waiting for it. And I just opened it. I wasn't gonna film my reaction because I was like, I just want to take it all in. But then I opened it. They had a little note that says, sorry we're late. Hey Cara babes, we wanted to take this time to thank you for your continuous support and patience. We want to share a token of our appreciation by including a free gift in your order. And I was like, oh my god, this brand is so freaking cool. So I just wanted to film my whole reaction, like opening it and stuff. They gave me a free liquid lipstick because it took so long for it to ship out. Oh my god, I literally wasn't even like expecting that. I was like, oh my god, it's fine. Like, I'm sure things like this aren't essential. Oh my god, they really did the most. Oh my god, is this black? Wow. Oh my god, here they are. These 3 eyeshadows were only $36. And I got that free liquid lipstick and shipping was free. Dude, this is so cool. I'm so excited. Hi, Teddy. Okay, you can watch, I guess. Oh my god. So they come wrapped up in even more plastic and stuff, but oh my god, look at how cool these are. I'm in love with these palettes. These are so cool. The package.
Don't eat that.
This is great. I love the way it's packaged and like, oh, so it even slips out of here. Wow, this is so cool. It feels really nice. Oh my god, it's so cute. And it has a mirror. Wow. Oh my god. For $12 basically. This is insane. Oh my god. And then look at those. Look at that. Wow. Oh my god. And then on the back it has like the names of each shade as well. This is amazing. Okay. Look at how cool that packaging is too. And this makeup brand is also cruelty free. They just are really doing the most right now. And the names, the freaking names. I'm doing like full videos on like swatching it, like using it for a look. But let's swatch the shade Stoner. Oh my god, it's soft. This shade. Oh. Wow. For $12, dude. This is so good. I'm so impressed. I'm also gonna dip into the shade Weed. It's a really good shade and you can tell it's like a matte and not a freaking what's it. I don't, wow. Okay, I'm obsessed with this palette and there's still 2 more. Yes, this is so cool. The next one we're gonna look at, Orange Pop. This is such cool packaging. Ooh. Oh my gosh, these are like the perfect fall colors. Wow, these are beautiful. Reds look so good on my eyes. I'm so excited. Wow, this is so amazing. Let's do Hit It. Oh my god, it's so soft. Wow, it goes on so well. This is so great. This is so amazing. And like the fact that there's such a big mirror in all of these and the packaging is so cool and these shades go on so nicely. Now let's swatch the shade Low Eyes. Ooh, I like that color a lot. So glad I found this brand. Purple Haze. This packaging, I literally can't get over how cool this looks. Ooh. Ooh, bye bye plastic. Oh my god, that is so stunning. Those are such beautiful shades. I'm in heaven, dude. Oh wow, that's a lot of like metallics. Oh my god. Bong rip. I'll do wax. Wax is super soft. It looks a little light, but oh no, that goes on really well. I really have nothing else to say about these palettes except wow. $36 for these 3 palettes was a steal. I'm so excited to use these. I'm so excited that I found this brand. Thank you, TikTok. I just like can't believe like how cool these are and like what? Like this is so cool. These are such awesome palettes. I'm so excited to use them. Thank you so much for watching. My babies and I are gonna go hang out for a little bit and play. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.
So what, we get drunk. So what,